Hello everybody. This time we're going to take a look at Unit 4.2D at WAMAP, and this time we're going to be plotting points. The first problem has a 5 by 5 coordinate plane, and they're asking us to plot these points. So we're going to find these points on this coordinate plane. All right, so let's try it on the tablet first and we'll come back. All right, so again, for whatever reason, my tablet, the grid lines don't show up on here on this screen. They are on my tablet, but not here, what we're looking at. But we're just going to go ahead and remember the first is always the x-axis, the first number or first coordinate, and then the second is the y-axis. So we're going to go out the x-axis to 0. So 0 is right here. So this is where it will be on the x-axis, and then on the y, we take the next number, go down -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're at -5. We're going to put a point there. That's going to be our first point. Okay. And then let's take a look at the yellow one. We're looking at -1 on the x-axis, so here at -1, and 0 on the y. So we're already at the 0 point on y. So let's just put a yellow mark there at the -1, 0 mark. And our third point we're going to do in blue. And we've got a 5 on the x-axis, so we're way out here on the end. And on the y we have a -1, so we're going to drop down 1 square to -1. So just below that 5. And our last point is this green one. It's 2, -3. So the first one is always x, so we come out to the 2. And then we count down on the y-axis. We have a -3 for the y coordinate. We're going to come down 1, 2, 3. So right here is 2, -3, right? Yes. So this is what your dot configuration will look like, and that's how you should enter your answer here. So when you mouse over, your cursor will turn into a little crayon or pencil. And so let's just copy those dots onto here. We had a 0. Let's see, what was the first one? Was black. 0, -5 was down here. And you don't have to worry about color. And I think if you get them, as long as you get them close, you're okay. They are very hard to move if you 0, -5, and then -1, 0. And then we had a 5, -1, so 5 and then down 1. Get that pencil right on the point. This would be good to practice. And then 2, -3. So if I got those all close enough, we should be good. I'll go ahead and submit these. And it looks like we got them all correct. See a green box. Awesome. So there is another set of problems, but they are basically identical. They all have, there's a couple of zeros and one with negative. So practice these on your own, and you can mix it up a little bit using the get a similar question. You can always message me if you run into trouble. Choose my name from the recipient list, and then just hit send. I'll try to get back to you within 24 hours. Okay, that's all for this lesson. If you run into trouble, let me know.